In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Volume Thinkorswim. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable volume display on your chart, so you can quickly gauge participation and momentum behind price moves. Volume is one of the most useful confirmations in technical analysis, and adding it to your chart only takes a few clicks. Start on your chart and look for the toolbar at the top. Find the Studies button. This is the beaker icon. Click it to open the menu, then choose Edit Studies. This brings up the main window where you manage everything you see over your price chart, including lower studies like volume. In the Edit Studies window, go to the search box and type the word volume. As soon as you start typing, you'll see a list of built-in studies appear. One you'll notice is called Volume AVG. This study displays standard volume bars along with a moving average of volume, which helps you quickly compare today's activity against typical levels. That moving average line can make spikes and dry-ups easier to spot at a glance. Select the study you want. Let's go with Volume AVG for a clear view, and then click Add Selected. You'll see it move into your list of active studies for the chart. This tells the platform to plot the volume subgraph beneath your price candles so it's always in view while you analyze price action. Next, click Apply, and then click OK. Apply lets you preview the change, and OK confirms it and closes the window. Your chart should now show color-coded volume bars at the bottom, along with a smooth average line running through them. The bars will rise and fall with trading activity, while the average gives you context for whether today's volume is above or below what's typical for your chosen time frame. If you don't see much change right away, make sure you clicked both Apply and OK. Also keep in mind that very zoomed-out views can compress the display. As you work with the chart, the volume section will scale automatically. That's all it takes. You clicked the study's beaker, chose Edit Studies, searched for volume, selected the Volume AVG study, added it to your chart, and confirmed with Apply and OK. With volume now in place, you'll be able to confirm breakouts, spot exhaustion, and better understand whether price moves are supported by meaningful participation. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to explore how volume lines up with recent price swings on your favorite symbols to reinforce what you've just added.